We will do remaining sum from chapter Theory of Probability from book Quantitative Techniques and Method. Semester 4. Question number 18. Two cards are drawn from a packet of 52 cards at random and kept out. Two cards are drawn. Drawn means a packet contain 52 cards. 52 cards are total cards which are in packet. Okay. In the packet which contain 52 cards, a person withdraw 2 cards and kept outside and place these 2 cards which are drawn from a packet somewhere else. Then a card is drawn from remaining 52 cards. Then again a card means one card drawn from remaining 52 cards. 52 cards because 22 cards are from 20 because 50 from 52 cards 2 cards are withdrawn and these 2 cards are placed somewhere else rather than in this packet. Again this bag or packet contain 50 cards. From remaining 50 cards a person withdrawn a card. Okay, then what is the chance that it is an ace? What is the probability? The card which are drawn here is a ace. Now we can assume that both cards from 52 cards there are both ace, one ace and none of ace. For both ace there are first case. Two cards are drawn. Okay, two cards are drawn means cards two drawn. Both are ace. Both are ace. Ace are total 4 in a packet. And total card drawn 2 and total cards are 52. So we write like this. Then second case, 1 is ace. 2 cards are drawn, 1 is ace. 2 cards are drawn, 1 is ace, 1 is other card, 1 is ace. Ace is 4 in this packet and other cards, remaining other cards are 48 because in packet total cards are 52. If we subtract 4 from 52, the remaining cards are 48. Now total cards drawn 2 and total cards are 52. So we write like this. And next, none of ace means all the cards are something else, not ace. It means that we can write cards are drawn true other than ace means we do not have to select ace, then remaining cards are 48. Total card drawn 2, all are other than ace. Total card 2, total cards in a packet 52. So we write like this. Up to here we will discuss only this. Now one card is drawn. Now one card is drawn. The probability of one card which is drawn, both are ace. Here we can draw 2 ace. Now the other 2 ace are written as like this, 2 upon 15. Then 1 is ace. Now 1 is drawn here. Then the remaining probability of withdrawing 1 ace is 3 by 50 because their packet contain 4 ace. 1 ace is drawn here. Then the remaining ace is 3. Favorable cases is 3. favorable upon total. Now here we can write 50 because 2 cards are already drawn from the packet and placed somewhere else rather than putting back into a packet. Then here none of the A's is withdrawn. There is no A's. So in that case, the probability of here where one card is drawn is 4 upon 15 because in this case no Ace is removed. So we can draw here. In first case, we can draw 2 cards from the packet which contain 52 cards. In 52 cards, both are Ace. We can withdraw 2 Ace. And in second case, in which we have to withdraw 1 card, in it we can withdraw 2 upon 50 because 2 A's are already withdraw here, then the remaining A's are 2 upon 50. In that case, 1 is Ace, 1 card is already withdrawn in it. The favorable cases of remaining Ace is 3 upon 50. Then next case, none is Ace. Here we cannot remove or withdraw any Ace, then the favorable cases. In that case, in which we can withdraw 1 Ace is 4 upon 50. Now we can calculate it like this. Both are A's. 4 upon 52. Here both are A's. Now favorable cases and second case where we withdraw 1 Ace is 2 upon 50. Here sign is multiply. Here we already withdraw 1 Ace. Now favorable cases of remaining Ace is 3 upon 50. Here we cannot remove any Ace. Now favorable cases of removing Ace is 4 upon 50 because here all Aces are in the packet. Here only 3 Aces are in the packet. Here only 2 A's in the packet. Now we can solve it by this method. We just only put value in formula. Here N is 4, R is 2. Just putting value in this formula and then start back counting where we can use factorial. Here answer is 6. When C is 1, the answer is equal to N. Here N is 4. Here N is 48. Now 48 are calculated like this. Here answer is 1128. Now 52 calculate like this. We just putting value in the formula. N is 52, R is 2. Here 1326 is answer. Now we can put all this value in our formula. Here 4C2 is 6. 52 C upon 2 is 1326 multiply by 250 plus 48 C1 52 C2 multiply by 3 upon 50 and plus 48 C2 then 1126 multiply by 4 upon 50. Now we can calculate it. 2 ones are 2 6 6 to 3 3 2s 3 2s 2s 1s 2 1s 2 25. Now we can write it like 1 multiply 5 to 5 plus 4 into 48. 4 into 48 is 192. Multiply by 3. 5 7 6 and multiply 1326 with 50. 1026 with 50. 66,300. Now we can cut it. Then we get 48 upon 5,525. Now we can solve it. Multiply 1,128 with 4. Then we get 1,128 with 4. We get 4,512 and we can multiply it. Then we get 66,300. Now we can cut it. In it we can cut 5,528 and we get 376. If we add all these numbers, then we get 48 plus 1 plus 376 425 and in denominator 5,526. If we add all these number and after that we can cut it 1s 13s. Our answer is 1 upon 13.